The history of Scarioni begins in 1953. Romeo Scarioni founded the company with the purpose of manufacturing machineries and components for the refrigeration industry. Riding along the Italian economic boom after World War II, Scarioni decides to export its know-how all over the world, establishing itself as a key player in the market. In Scarioni, we design and manufacture complete polyurethane foaming and insulation solutions for commercial refrigeration equipment, such as vertical and horizontal cabinets for negative and positive refrigeration, serve-over counters, refrigerated tables, and any other type of appliance used in the field. We manufacture everything from small standalone foaming jigs to the most complex production lines. An additional core service we provide is an exhaustive technical and management consulting throughout the whole design process, aimed to provide the best solution for the customer needs. Our work can be broken down into 4 phases. 1. Feasibility study. 2. Fully customized design. 3. Machine and software development and production. 4. After-sales support and training. Thanks to our 70-year-long expertise, we are able to guarantee improved production efficiency and 360-degree technical support throughout the design, production, and installation processes. Thanks to our uncompromised effort to reach our customers' satisfaction, we offer long-lasting machines, all year-round maintenance, and spare parts availability. Our human capital and the bond we establish with stakeholders are the beating heart of Scarioni. A rock-solid work ethic has been forged by our heritage as a family-born company. Our global footprint moves us toward an ever-growing pursuit of innovation. Commitment, ingenuity, and reliability are the values that guide us forward.